Hello and welcome folks, this is Shaurya and you are watching Money9. Today, we will start update on TCS and Infosys. After TCS and Infosys posted lower than street estimate March quarter results, brokerages have cut price target on both these stocks. Nomura has downgraded Infosys to neutral from buy. The global brokerage has cut price target from 1,660 rupees to 1,290 rupees. Reliance Securities has downgraded Infosys to sell from buy. It has cut price target from 1,750 rupees to 1,350 rupees. Ambit has initiated sell call on the counter. It cut the price target to 1,340 rupees. On TCS, global brokerage JP Morgan has gone underweight on the counter. It has reduced price target to 2,700 on TCS. Jefferies has advised investors to hold TCS for price target of 3,375 rupees. Nomura has advised investors to reduce TCS for a price target to 2,830 rupees. Security features on WhatsApp has been enhanced. This means users will get more control over their messages. Well, what are these features? Let's have a look at them. They are Account Protect, Device Verification and Companion Mode. The Account Protect feature will prompt users on the old device to confirm that they intend to move their account to another device, helping to prevent unauthorized attempts. The first two features have been lost, while Companion Mode feature will roll out gradually. And if you are looking to buy cars of Tata Motors, then this news may not sound sweet to you. Tata Motor vehicles are going to become further costlier from May 1, 2023. The homegrown auto manufacturer has said that it is going to hike passenger vehicle prices by less than 1% across the models. The company has cited new emission norms and input price hike behind the decision. This will be the second price hike by the company after it had increased the car prices in February. India's second largest automobile manufacturer, Hyundai, on the other hand, will drive in low-cost entry-level SUV exterior. Hyundai will price it lower than Venue. Electric two-wheelers of Ather Energy have become cheaper. According to newspaper HT Auto, another 450X will now cost less than 1 lakh rupees. In Delhi, one can bring home Ather 450X at ex-showroom price of just 98,183 rupees. This is the price of affordable version of Ather 450X, which the Bengaluru-based electric two-wheeler company has recently introduced in the market. However, customers will not get the same features in affordable version of electric two-wheelers as they get in the variant that the company had driven in initially. Apart from Ather, electric two-wheelers of Ola have also become cheaper in some days ago. Retail investors constitute 50% of total AUM of India's mutual fund industry. AMFI Chief Executive NS Venkatesh told reporters that the growing investors base in India shows their continuing faith in the equity markets via mutual fund route. SIP inflows have continued to soar in the past fiscal year. The number of investors have risen despite the market volatility. In fact, in FY23, Sensex gave returns of less than 1%. Now, equity mutual fund inflows have risen for last 25 months straight. Total number of SIP accounts has stood at 6.36 crore as of March 2023. Private equity investment in real estate sector was stable in 2022-23 at $4.2 billion. 22% of this was from domestic investor. According to report by property consultant firm Enarok, Delhi NCR received 32% of the total investment, while office assets garnered 40% of the inflows. Foreign investors' contribution stood at more than 75%. Domestic investors were more active in FY23, investing 50% more at $900 million. Inflows from foreign investors declined 7% to $3.2 billion. Chennai's share increased to 8% from 1%. NCR, Chennai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad witnessed increased activity levels in FY23. Meanwhile, Mumbai metropolitan region witnessed lower activity levels. 2 days back, IMF downgraded India's growth forecast to 5.9%. IMF says reason for the reduction is the slowness of domestic consumption and data revision. Even at 5.9%, India will remain the fastest growing economy in the world. The IMF had also lowered the forecast for 2024-25 fiscal to 6.3% from 6.8% it predicted in January this year. IMF growth forecast is lower projections than the one given by Reserve Bank of India. RBI sees 7% GDP growth in 2022-23 and 6.4% growth in the current fiscal. The other factor is data revisions in 2019 and 2020, which suggests economic position in India before pandemic was better. The government has collected north of 19 lakh crore rupees tax in the last financial year. The government of India collected more than double the tax in FY23 than what it collected 9 years ago in FY14, though direct tax to GDP ratio has only marginally increased during the same period. The direct tax to GDP ratio is close to 6% in FY23. This shows tax collection system in the country has become more efficient. Plus, more people are paying taxes now. India's export rose about 6% to a record $447.46 billion in 2022-23. The growth was led by sectors like petroleum, pharma and chemicals. On the other hand, service exports grew by a healthy 26.8% to $322.72 billion. The exports have been clocked at $770.18 billion, up 13.84%. Though exports have grown in the fiscal year, exports in March dropped to $38.38 billion against $44.57 billion in the same month last year. Imports too declined to $58.11 billion from $63 billion a year ago. And with this, we end the session for this week. But stay tuned with us on the weekend as we have got a lot of exciting shows for you, which you can watch on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.